Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Well, I've got all 4 clocks working pretty well. I get a couple glitches every now and then. The gears get hung up, but if they're not moved too much, then they work pretty well. What I've been working on now is getting the hands. So for each clock I printed the hands with the 2-color or multicolor filament and then black, and then reversed them. So whoever gets these will be able to put whatever hands they want. I'm going to take one over to Chris Riley, and then he's going to, I think, take a couple up to Murph for my friend, a couple friends up there that are going to be there. I'm not going to go this year, but they've turned out really well. I might build some more. I'm going to possibly build the larger version of this. So that's where I'm at with this. And the other thing I've been working on is cutting puppy hair. So this puppy's not too happy with that. But I'm making some of these helicopters again. My wife's going up to visit her granddaughter in Minneapolis for a couple weeks. So I'm going to send her with some of these. Bamboo does really nicely on these. Does them pretty fast, and so I've got both of them running with making those. Then something they can't do is make the pull rods really big. So I'm using one of the rat rigs to do that. So in the process of doing a modification on these to add the filament sensor. I've had it working, but the filament sensor needed to be worked on a little bit, so I had to take it off. But that's pretty much what I've been up to. And here's another puppy. So anyway, I've got all the clocks working. Another thing I may try is to use some heavier shafts. These are 1.75 millimeter, and they tend to bend pretty easily. So I might check with Steve Peterson about using a 2 millimeter. I've tried that in the past and had variable luck with them, but really like the multicolor filament. And so I've tried different experiments with the face of the dials on them. So this one's got the Roman numerals, and then the standard, and then I tried gold, and then pretty much black. And I've got the blue bases and the black base. It's just fun to play with, experimenting on them. So I hope you like these. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a message.